So should you turbocharge your Subaru BRZ or 86 or Scion FRS? Well, that's totally up to you. Now, this one is turbocharged with the Speed by Design kit, and it's been an absolute blast. Now, although my engine bay is not the prettiest right now, so sorry for that, but this is the kit right here. And again, it's the Speed by Design kit. I did modify a little bit, a couple, different intake, different shield right there, and a couple other things, made it black, all that good stuff. But that is the kit there, and so far, again, I've had this for about 20,000 miles. I've had zero issues for the most part. Now, I will say everything did go in here pretty easily, and you can see most things do sit in here pretty well, minus a few little tight squeezes here and there, but generally, it fits really good. Now, depending on what kit you get will depend on the experience you have, but again, Speed by Design is no longer available, so whatever kit you do go with, just know that generally they are all gonna have similarities, and I definitely do like this. Now, to add to that, we are on E85 and tuned for it as well. We're pushing 313 horsepowers, upgraded fuel injectors, upgraded fuel pump, and a few other little things like that. But generally, we've done all the basics for the turbocharger. Now, I have had this car for about 4 years now, and I will say I've had anywhere between 15 and maybe 20,000 miles on the turbocharger, maybe even more, to be honest with you. Again, I'm not 100% certain on that, but so far I've had zero issues with it. And again, this is my daily driver. So if you do plan on daily driving your turbocharged BRZ, just know at 313 horsepower on E85 with upgraded injectors and fuel pump, so far I haven't had any issues with it. Now, it was tuned by Boosted Performance on the actual dyno, and we've done a couple different remote tunes since then, but generally it's been great. Now, as far as, well, what does 313 horsepower feel like on this car being turbocharged? And I will say it is absolutely amazing. This car is an absolute blast to drive, and generally I do struggle to keep the back tires on the ground. They want to spin out all the time, but again, you can get better tires and things like that. I just have some basic Lexani ones on there, so nothing too crazy, but just know, there are solutions to that problem as well. And we are pushing 10 PSI. I feel like I should have mentioned that prior, but we're pushing 10 pounds of boost on here. And again, we could turn it up if we wanted to, but right now we are sticking around 10 PSI for the reliability of that. So most of you guys who come across my videos aren't actually subscribed. If you could just take just a quick second to hit that subscribe button, it would mean so much to me as we're trying to grow to 1,000 subscribers. And if you're while you're there, you might as well slap the like button. But other than that, guys, this is the turbocharged BRZ. Absolutely love this car, and like I said, there's not a whole lot wrong as far as when I turbocharged it. It's been great to me so far. It's been an absolute blast to drive, and I highly recommend, if you do have a BRZ FRS or 86, turbocharging it was definitely a great way to go. And if you're looking for more power and you want that iconic turbo sound, it is absolutely amazing, especially in this car.